the country is not back to normal. It is better. There's hundreds of people from all around the world, not just the United States, who are helping. But still, when I was down there, it was one of the things that I first noticed was people would have a cardboard box laid out, flattened on the ground, and they would sleep there outside the hospital gates, because every morning at 6 a.m. people would begin to line up to be seen in the clinic. So they would make a pallet of a cardboard box on the floor, and they would sleep there, themselves, maybe 3 kids on the street. And, of course, you want to just pick them up and bring them in, but there's hundreds of people like that. And still today, that's how people are living, in tent cities and on the streets. And I think it's better, but definitely not back to normal.
I think something very important to consider regarding Haiti, it has been notoriously known for a place of corruption, politically and otherwise, but the efforts that first occurred throughout the country to raise all this money, and even globally, they raised a lot of money, and to date, accountability for those donations is very ambiguous. And so there's estimates of billions of dollars that are being stolen from this donated money, and there's no infrastructure, there's no organizations that have accounting for all these donations. And so it's a huge problem getting the resources, in a pragmatic way to treat the people. So, people that want to support our project, I don't know if they've supported or donated in the past, but there's a very tangible and real-time benefit to the support that they give to our group. The money is going directly towards healthcare providers physically being there and giving the healthcare and relieving some of these problems for the people. So, as far as trusting or knowing where your resources and your donations go, I think it's going to be a world apart from this big vacuum that sucked up all these resources and nobody knows where it's going, nobody knows who's getting it, and so it's a peace of mind as far as the money and the donations that are given to help our effort directly will impact someone's life. It literally, quite literally, it'll save people's lives.